Hi everyone, my name is Deepa. I'm an instructor here at the Ballet Spot. I teach cardio ballet on Wednesdays and Sundays, and I teach Pilates also on Wednesdays. This week I'm going to take you through the ab series from classical Pilates. So we're going to learn 5 different moves. You can do 5 to 10 reps of each of these moves 3 times and you will definitely feel the ab burn. To get started, you're going to lay on your back with your feet planted on the floor. Pull your knees into your chest. And just start by taking 3 deep breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. 2 more times like that. Good. For our first ab exercise, we're going to do our single leg stretch. So you're going to curl your head towards your knees, deepen your abdominals, and look towards your belly button. Bring both hands to your right shin and extend your left shin long. You're going to exhale, pull your knee closer. Inhale to switch. Exhale to pull. Inhale to switch. When you get used to this, you can also add in more of a single breath pattern. So you're going to take an inhale, inhale, exhale, exhale, inhale, inhale, exhale, exhale. Remember to keep your shoulders away from your ears, your abs pulling in and up, and your neck nice and long. For part 2, we're going to learn our double leg stretch. So again, curling your head towards your knees, your arms and legs are going to extend away from each other on the diagonal, keeping your abs firm, and exhale, pull your knees back in. Inhale to lengthen, exhale to pull. Inhale to lengthen, exhale to circle. Last time, inhale to lengthen, and exhale to circle. Part 3, we're going to do scissors. So you're going to lengthen your legs as straight as you can towards the ceiling and bring both hands behind your right calf or your right hamstring. You're going to stay curled up. You're going to take a little pull, pull, switch, pull, pull, switch, pull, pull, switch, pull, pull, switch. So you're getting both a stretch and stability because you're deepening your abdominals and not letting your low back pop off the mat. Keep your elbows nice and wide. Pull, pull, switch, pull, pull, switch. Part 3, we're going to do scissors. So you're going to lengthen your legs as straight as you can towards the ceiling and bring both hands behind your right calf or your right hamstring. You're going to stay curled up. You're going to take a little pull, pull, switch, pull, pull, switch, pull, pull, switch, pull, pull, switch. So you're getting both a stretch and stability because you're deepening your abdominals and not letting your low back pop off the mat. Keep your elbows nice and wide. Pull, pull, switch, pull, pull, switch. All right, part 4 is lower lift. You have 2 options here. You can either stack your hands behind your head and do this without the assistance of your hands, or you're going to make a triangle, place it underneath your tailbone. You're going to lower to your working level in 3, 2, 1. Lift up on 1. Lower 3, 2, 1. Lift up on 1. Then you're going to reverse the counts, and I'm going to show you the different hand position. You're going to lower in 1. Lift 3, 2, 1. Lower 1. Lift 3, 2, 1. For our last position, we're going to do crisscross. So curl up, and you want to think armpit to knee, not elbow, because that won't actually work your abdominals. So you're going to twist your armpit towards your knee and come through center. Keep your shoulders off the ground. Twist, center, twist, center, twist, center. You can also add a variation of twist, 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 come through center. Twist, twist, twist through the center. No, do that again. I hope you found that helpful, and I hope you'll check out my Pilates class on Wednesdays at 6:30 Eastern, 3:30 p.m. Pacific, and thank you for joining us here at the Ballet Spot.